Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C25Y. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning enter settings. Now swipe down and enter security. Go to screen lock, confirm with your current screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks. Non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let me show each one. Firstly, non. Swipe, password, pin, and the last one, pattern. Now we can go to fingerprint, and your fingerprint scanner is here at the back of the phone. So let's scan my fingerprint right now. And let's use it to unlock the phone. And the last way to unlock the phone is face unlock. Scan your face right in this circle. Okay, my face is already scanned. Let's use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.